Right, well, DangerMouse 2000. I had to make a custom follower because this is a bit special. So, rather than just putting this together by myself, I'm just going to do it on video because this is either going to go really, really well or really, really not well. So, at least I've, got it on a bit. It's also my first attempt at commentating, so it's probably going to be pretty bad. Yep. Oh yeah, I guess I could just put the spring in first and then put the pin on top. Because I've got these little doofers on the top of the pins which sit in the springs. It's actually relatively hard to see what's going on. Doesn't help that I've got a big phone in my face. Alright. Oh, okay. Ejector. And my finger hurts because I was in such a hurry to get in here that I sort of slammed my finger on the door. Kind of excited and a little bit nervous. Put a fair bit of time into this, so I hope I don't brick it. The bitting looks pretty ordinary on the key, but because of me enlarging the Bible, I had to kind of shift everything out and still make sure that the extremities of the pins didn't cause issues. So I've kept the bitting fairly conservative so that I don't make it sort of too extreme. So hopefully the key goes in pretty easily and it's actually fairly reliable, because this, I guess you could call it a bit of a sleeper, because it doesn't look super fantastic on the outside, and that's the idea. And also my name I thought was pretty cool, because mouse but danger, Right. Okay, here goes nothing. So I'm going to have timing marks on the back here. Now, I don't quite know how I'm going to do this, but it's got to be put in on such an angle see, the pins are trying to push it out already. And then in theory, if I've done my job right, that goes in like that. And here is the moment of truth. I do have another bite at the cherry, because I can actually machine the top off the Bible if it doesn't work. Right. Oh, she's locked now. Yes! Okay, that's pretty cool. So it looks like I need a bit of work doing on that because it's binding. I'm actually so excited I'm kind of shaking. But the bloody thing works. Holy shit, that's awesome. Wow. Shit, that's cool. Okay. So I wonder what's causing that binding. Anyway, that works. My hand fold key.